Okay, and this is the 2014 Volkswagen Jetta Sportwagen TDI with the CJAA 2.0 liter engine. This one I just picked up at Copart, and it has 115,000 miles. I just pulled out the battery. I'm doing that voodoo battery thing, and the battery is charging over there. So apparently this car was hit somewhere here, and it pushed the support here inside just a little bit, and otherwise super clean. It looks like very well maintained. It has nice interior. Of course, needs a very good cleanup. The sunroof is jammed slightly. I'm not sure what happened with it. But I mean, paint is really nice. It has newer Toyo tires, 16 week. Huh, that's a weird timestamp. Maybe oh, there it is, 21st week of 2022, so less than 2 years old, which is awesome. Very nice interior. It has the sunroof and the navigation, and we have some parts here. We got the headlight. It's really undamaged. The headlight looks really good. It needs restored, but it's not damaged. The real damage is on the grille and the hood. And very nice car, honestly. It's such a good deal I got on this car. It has the keyless ignition, a push to start button. I mean, super nice car. I checked the oil. The oil, it looks black and dirty, but it's all there and it's full. The engine just seems to be in good shape. I mean, I bought this car from Geico. Geico was the seller, and it has coolant. Very exciting, actually. I can't wait for the battery to recharge. It has coolant, no issues with the coolant. It doesn't look like it has any oil in it or any issues. I mean, there's such a nice car. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Again, I pulled out the battery, and once the battery recharges, we're gonna drop it in and see if it starts. It'd be really nice if it starts right, it fires right up. Okay, so the battery is at 75%, and it's nighttime, and I can't wait, so I'm gonna install the battery, hook up the charger to it in the car, and try to start it, see what happens. Let's get to it. Okay, the moment of truth. I have hooked up the battery with the charger in the car, so I'm going to give it a engine start, and it gives it 60 seconds. Let's see. Supposed to give us 60 seconds. Let's try and start the car, see what happens. Okay. Turn it on position. There goes nothing. Screaming. It clicks, but it does not start. There it is. Yes. Yes. Let's go. It sounds so good. Wow. Well, the alternator's working. Wow, it sounds so good. The auction listed it as does not start, and it idles nicely. There's a bunch of lights on the dash, but again, we can figure this out. Sunroof works. Actually the sunroof is jammed. I want to try and see if I can get it unjammed. Oh shit. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, that scared the crap out of me. It's jammed somehow. I don't know what's... Oh. Oh. Oh, nope. Oof, stop. Okay, I'm not gonna. I'll worry about that later, but for now, the car works. Let's see if AC works. AC on. Radio works. See if AC gets cold. Beautiful. She runs, guys. She runs. I'll let it warm up a little bit. Let's do an alternator check. Just checking the alternator. Good. It says alternator is good. Alright, cool. Sounds so good.